Okay guys, I want to show you something odd. The lake, the river, the Colorado River, Lake Bird Lady Lake. What else is it called? Who cares? Lady Bird Lake. It's going the wrong way. Look at these. Now if you notice the ripples, it's go. Look at all the shit is flowing in the wrong direction. Now watch this log to the shed, to the reflection in the water. It's getting closer. Pretty interesting. What do you think, Governor? The polar. What is it called? The polar grid. It's going the wrong way, dude. We're sending the water to Colorado. Why is it going the wrong way?